Hey, this is Pastor George with your Midday Motivation. This is another opportunity to live your dream and to step into your purpose. The other day, my wife and I were visiting my aunt in Birmingham, and we were leaving, and as we got in the car, I put the car in reverse and began to back out of the driveway, but the car would not move. I mean, I pressed the accelerator even harder, and it began to it just would not move. I immediately thought, man, something must be wrong with my car. The transmission must be going bad. I put the car and I began to press the accelerator harder, but it would not move. And my wife looked at the dashboard and she said, honey, look at the dashboard. And there was a big brake light that said, brake light on. I immediately let go of the brake light and the car zoomed in reverse. How many of us are living our life that way? Instead of us just totally jumping in to our dream, I mean letting go and stepping in full force, or are we like I was? We are going through life with our emergency brake on. Well, I don't have the right connection. Well, I don't have enough money. Well, so-and-so don't like me. Well, you know, this didn't work out last time. How many of us are going through life with our emergency brake of excuses on? Today I want to challenge you. Let go of the emergency brakes and step into your greatness. Let it go. Jump in, because your greatness is just ahead. God bless you. We'll see you next week.